In the last video, we have studied about alluvial soil and black soil. Now the next soil is red and yellow soils. Red soils develop in igneous rocks. In India, we can see this soil in the southern and eastern part of Deccan Plateau. Why this soil is red in color? Because of the diffusion of iron. This soil gets a red color, and this soil mostly present wherever the rainfall is less. That means the eastern and southern part of Deccan, the rainfall is less. So because of that, this red and yellow soil is present in that places. Next soil is laterite soil. Leaching is the process by which the laterite soil formed. So what is leaching? Whenever the heavy rainfall occurs upon the mountains, the top soil gets drained, and this process is called as leaching, and the subsoil comes up. This is what is the laterite soil. But this soil is not good for any cultivation because of the lack of microorganisms. But in the border areas of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, in the hilly areas over there, they converted this soil for cultivation by making proper agricultural methods, farming methods, by adding fertilizers, and by using the irrigation methods. They changed this laterite soil in that places for cultivation, especially for the cultivation of plantation crops like tea, coffee and rubber. Next soil is arid soil or dry soil. This soil is saline in nature. The high temperature leads into more evaporation, and because of this, in this soil, moisture is less and humus is also very less. They vary from red to brown in color. In Rajasthan, the western part of Rajasthan, we can see this soil, this arid soil, but here by putting proper irrigation methods, they converted this soil for cultivation. You know about the Indira Gandhi Canal project, which is going to the western part of Rajasthan, and by using this water, this soil, arid soil, is converted for the cultivation of crops, various crops in that places. Next one is forest soil. This soil we can see mainly in the hilly and mountainous regions. The soil texture varies according to the mountains where it is formed. In which mountains it is formed, according to that, this soil changes, varies. It is silty in the valley sides and coarse grained in the upper slopes of the mountains. So these are the various soils which we have studied in these days. Next topic is soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The removal of fine particles of soil from the top, or removal of topsoil, is called as soil erosion. What are the causes for soil erosion? This point we have studied in land degradation. Almost the same points are coming. Causes for soil erosion: deforestation. This is the first point we have studied over there. Overgrazing by cattle, improper farming methods, wind, rainfall, glaciers, oceanic waves and the sea waves. These are the reasons why the soil erosion occurs. Now how we can conserve the soil? By doing afforestation, by proper farming techniques instead of improper terrace farming, strip cropping that I explained on that video. By using this, by planting shelter belts, by controlling the grazing activities, afforestation. So by doing these methods, we can check the soil erosion. So our first chapter, geography, we are completed here. You have to write the notes according to the topics which I taught you. Mostly point wise I taught the topics. Next video, most probably Monday, I will ask the questions, some of the questions to you, and you can give the answers to me into my personal account number, WhatsApp number, and that names those who are sending it first to me, their names will be announced. So next video is very important to you. So wait for that till that video. Okay, bye.